In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play YouTube in Safari. This method allows you to watch YouTube directly in the Safari app on your iPhone or iPad. It's particularly beneficial for those who prefer not to use the YouTube app or might not have it installed. Let's get started on this straightforward process. First, you will want to open the Safari app on your device. As you do this, you will see the familiar interface of Safari with its address bar at the top. This action is essential because it sets the stage for browsing the web. Once the app is open, you will be ready to navigate to the YouTube website, so take a moment to locate and tap on the Safari icon, and you're on your way. Next, in the address bar, go to www.youtube.com. As you type this URL, you'll notice that the keyboard appears, making it easy to enter the web address. This step is crucial because it directs you to the YouTube platform where all the videos are hosted. Once you've entered the address, tap Go or the return key on your keyboard, and you will be taken to the YouTube homepage. This is where all the magic begins. After reaching the YouTube homepage, you may want to sign into your Google account. This step is optional but highly recommended if you want access to your subscriptions, playlists, or watch history. When you see the Sign In button at the top right, tap it, enter your email and password, then follow any prompts to complete the sign-in process. This is important because signing in will enhance your viewing experience by personalizing content based on your preferences. Now that you are signed in, it's time to search for the video you want to watch. Look for the search bar at the top of the page. Tap it and enter the title or keywords related to the video you wish to find. As you type, suggestions might appear, making it easier to locate popular content. This step will allow you to browse through a vast array of videos, ensuring you find exactly what interests you. Once you've found the video you want to watch, tap on it to start playback. The video will begin and you should see the familiar playback controls on your screen. This part of the process is satisfying because you are now ready to enjoy your selected content. You can adjust the volume, change video quality, or even toggle full screen mode as you watch. If Safari asks whether you want to open the YouTube app, tap Cancel or Stay in Browser if that option is available. This prompt may appear if you have the YouTube app installed. Choosing to stay in Safari allows you to continue watching without switching apps. It's a small but significant choice that keeps your viewing experience seamless. Finally, it's important to remember that you do not need the YouTube app to watch videos in Safari. Most of the features you enjoy in the app, such as signing in, leaving comments, creating playlists, and managing subscriptions, are available through the Safari website. While some features may differ slightly from the app experience, you can still enjoy a robust YouTube experience directly in your browser. By following these steps, you can easily navigate YouTube in Safari on your iPhone or iPad. So go ahead and explore your favorite videos right from your browser. Enjoy your watching experience.